Mark, get set. Drivers are lining up. This is Baby Chance taking his first chance at driving in the backyard. And we're off. We're moving. Everything's going great and groovy. And stop. Wait a minute. What's happening? Oh, how can he get over this molehill? I don't think he can, folks. He's trapped. Oh, and he barely made it. And let's see, which way is he gonna go? This way, folks. Alright, now we're in the hard part. This is obviously the debris. Oh, what's wrong? This is the debris, folks. Too much. Lean up. Oh, he's stuck in the hill. Oh, can he make it? Lean up. He's driving. He's doing it, folks. Well, we're here in the obstacle. Anything in this thing could kill a baby. What he's gonna do? Let's make a sharp turn forward and oh, he made it. Let's go over, jump over. You see right here we have discarded scooters. That's what happened to the last baby riders. Trying to be too grown. Wait, what's wrong? Up. Okay. Let's go a little slower. We're going over this way. Whoop! He just popped a wheelie, folks. Popping it. Oh, wait. We're in dangerous barking dog territory, though. What is he gonna do? Okay. He knows the difference between big dogs and little dogs. Mickey Mouse is taking him home, folks. That wasn't his greatest last time, but hey, what can you do? He's back. And wait. Half a wheelie, he's sweating. Oh, what is he doing? He's showing off. He has tricked at the finish line. And stop. How do you feel about it? Accept this speech. Folks, he just wants his blanket and his mommy. That's the heart of a true champion. Give